Okay, imagine if you could heal faster simply by flipping a switch. Sounds like the stuff of science fiction, right? But hang on, because some brilliant minds at Trinity College Dublin just brought that a whole lot closer to reality. So here's the scoop. Our bodies are packed with these tiny warriors called macrophages. Think of them as your immune system's frontline soldiers. They hunt down invaders, clean up dead cells, and basically keep things running smoothly. But, like any overzealous team, they can sometimes get out of hand. When that happens, you get way too much inflammation, which actually slows down healing and can even damage healthy tissue. Now here's where things get electric. Literally. Scientists decided to zap these macrophages with carefully controlled electrical currents. I know, it sounds wild, but stick with me. They took macrophages from healthy human blood donors, popped them into a special bioreactor, and gave them a little jolt. Not enough to fry them or anything, just enough to see what would happen. And the results? Absolutely fascinating. Those zapped macrophages basically got a complete attitude adjustment. Their inflammation levels dropped, and genes that help build new blood vessels kicked into high gear. Even better, they started recruiting stem cells to help repair wounds. It's like flipping a switch from attack mode to heal and repair mode. Why does this matter? Well, this is the first time anyone's shown that you can do this with human cells, not just with mice or in test tubes. That means we're talking about real-world potential, like new ways to treat chronic wounds, speed up recovery from injuries, maybe even help with diseases where inflammation goes haywire. And don't worry, this isn't some Frankenstein experiment with lightning bolts. Electrical stimulation is already used in some therapies, and it's considered pretty safe when done right. The researchers are already looking at ways to refine the process, creating new materials and more precise methods to deliver these healing electric fields. The big takeaway? Sometimes the best way to supercharge healing isn't with high-tech drugs or fancy gadgets. It's with a tiny zap that tells your own cells, hey, it's time to fix things up. So next time you hear about electricity in the human body, don't just think about supervillains or shocking accidents. Think about the future of medicine. And who knows? Maybe one day, a little spark will be all it takes to heal what hurts. Thanks for watching. If you're as fascinated by this as I am, hit that subscribe button for more science that's changing the world.